Hello, if you are wondering if you can pay with Samsung Galaxy M55 5G, then the answer is yes, you can. And to prove this, we can go to the settings. Over here we can choose connections, and over here we have the NFC option that can be enabled and disabled. However, if you want to set up your credit card or debit card, then you need to probably install a wallet by Google, for instance, to set this whole thing up, because in my case I didn't have this up right from the beginning. Even if I go to the Google folder, it is missing the wallet. So if in your case it is missing the wallet as well, then you simply need to go to the Play Store, and then you need to search for the wallet, and then you want to press the install button, and of course wait for it, wait a couple of seconds for it to install. But essentially after a couple of seconds you should be able to run it. So it is possible to pay with Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!